Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back again for the live stream session with Team Axiom. Today's agenda is to explore advanced ways or mechanism for SEO and digital marketing so that we can enhance organic productivity. Organic productivity means without going for the paid ads, without investing on diverting the traffic to the platform, how we can able to enhance the productivity or the business growth. That is what agenda of today's session. With Team Axiom, we'll be exploring and explaining you all the conceptualization and the practical way of dealing with SEO and digital marketing. Before going for this all live demonstration, let me explain you why SEO and digital marketing is crucial and where is the gap, what approach we need to adopt. For me, SEO and digital marketing is a invisible excellence. UI UX alone won't drive the growth. The SEO and digital marketing is the truth. For great products to great reach, how SEO and digital marketing unlock the organic productivity. That is the agenda for today's session. Let me start with a hard truth. You can build the most beautiful, intuitive, fastest application in the world. Look and feel, user experience is great. But if no one finds it, does it create a value? Your investment, your platform development is to generate a business out of it. I can understand better UI and UX when one can view, one can have a physical experience about that excellency of the platform. Features can be experienced, but unless and until someone can able to reach to that particular platform, unless and until find the ways to experience that, how an organic productivity can be gained. That is what the question. Countless products with award-winning UI UX have failed, not because they weren't good, but they weren't discoverable. If we just focus on the feature building, the UI and UX, excellent products are there. But if it is undiscoverable, there is an issue. Organic productivity isn't about how efficiently your apps are running internally. It's about how efficiently customers can find and enter into your ecosystem. Many teams believe If we build it well, they will come. I'm against this. I don't believe that if something is something you build well, put a lot of efforts on it, and you are in the impression that if something is better, people will discover you. This approach was outdated. It's completely outdated. That worked 20 years ago. Today, search engines are the new front doors to every business. A user's journey doesn't begin on your homepage. Your application is a destination, but search engines are the maps. If no maps, no visitors. To understand it in a better way, if a company office or a business place, all the facilities are there, good infrastructure, good ambience, everything is better. But can you believe if the customers or the users find it hard about the location, how to reach to the location, about the brand, about the how they can avail that facility available? Do you think the is there with the applications? Technically, or by with the help of a good development team, we may able to produce the good applications, but unless and until user discovers it, follow find a way to reach to that applications, it's of no use and hence no productivity. Now, for the search engine optimization, what are the main pillars we need to follow for generating organic productivity that I'm going to explain to you? The first thing is search engine authority score. Higher domain authority is equal to higher rankings, more free, consistent traffic. Without authority, even great UX is not going to work. If you don't now to understand in a basic terminology, if your application don't have a good authority score, what will happen? If someone try to search you by entering certain keywords, then the search engines will diverse the traffic or its request, because he's not directly typing the URL. He's searching for the product and the services by using search engine. And if the authority score is not higher, that search engine divert that request to the application which is having highest authority score. So if your application is not SEO optimized, not having highest or the moderate authority score, without that your applications cannot be discovered. The traffic will be diverted. You are just adding the efforts to divert the users traffic to the another or competitors applications whose website or platform is more optimized, having more authority score. So the approach will be your application should have a higher authority score. The second key pillar will be the site optimization. that is called as technical SEO. Speed, mobile friendliness, crawlability. A slow or broken site kills users' trust before they even see your great UI. We need to technically take care of all these stuffs. If you're trying to correct any applications and it is taking a lot of time to load, it's not mobile friendliness, because you never know nowadays users are on their mobile 24/7. So all the time they may not be connecting to your applications to the laptop or the desktops. So that friendly mobile friendliness, crawlability, so that the Google bots or the search engine bots can able to capture the traffic and the rank that particular applications, so that the traffic can be diverted. So this is what exactly we need to perform. That is called a site optimization. The third approach will be competitors analysis. Your competitors are already ranking for keywords you need. If you ignore them, you are letting them own the discovery layer. Means basically you need to optimize the keywords as well. At the same time, what keywords are optimized with the competitors? Their authority score. There means basically while performing optimizations, we need to know basically what keywords are ranked by the competitors, and as per that you need to train, you need to optimize your site and the keywords, so that the traffic should not be diverted to the competitors. Keyword optimization. Keywords are the language of search intent. Match user intent, drive qualified traffic, and improve conversion productivity. So you need to understand the user's language, and as per that, user language for search, and as per that, if you can optimize your site accordingly, optimize your keywords, train your keywords accordingly, the traffic is certainly going to improve. Social media creatives. Brands are built through repeated visible touch points. Social media doesn't just drive the traffic, it builds trust and recall before the search even happens. What to search means you are by performing that efforts of search media creatives, because social media creatives, social, like majority of crowds are available on the social media, and for the number of hours they are utilizing social media. If we can able to create a brand impression, the creatives can able to impress the user, and through that the traffic is diverted to the web applications, or through that the 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 awareness of the product, the creatives we need to produce in such a way that the user should able to know about the services and the product, and from there, if the traffic is diverted, that will be the great. So that is the motive behind inserting the social medias, right, and diverting the traffic. It should be the continuous efforts. It's not once done and that's it. No. SEO and digital marketing compounds over time. If you stop investing, and your organic productivity will be drops. So the way the technical team putting the efforts, or doing the continuous efforts to enhance the product in the similar manner, the SEO and social media, perfect lighting, friendly staff, but you build it on the deserted road with no signs, no map listing, no directions. How many customers show up? The answer will be zero. That's your app without SEO and digital marketing. So here in this case, SEO plays the role of a road signs which directing users to the store. Your social media works like a billboards, building awareness before the trip starts, trip of a user to the store. Keyword optimization, speaking the customer's language, not that your technical jargon or like the internal while performing the applications, what technical stuff required. No, that's it. Like the we need to optimize the keywords as per the user's language, right? Authority score. It's a store's reputations. I'm just like giving this technical things about the SEO, social media, keyword optimization. Authority scores means it's a store's reputation. It's a trust signals to search engines, right? So the more authority score, because if imagine the situations like if you are asking someone to find out about the landmark, that landmark is like a authority score. But if someone, because no one able to find directly that particular destination, people will ask you for the landmark. The similar way authority score works. Digitalization is mandatory, it's not optional. Consumer behavior shifts. 68% of online experiences begin with search engines. That's where demand is born. Your digitalizations, it means being findable, crawlable, indexable, and referable across channels. Without digitalizations, even the best UI UX becomes a private gallery. It's not the growth engine. So the digitalization is a key. Your continuous efforts about the SEO and digital marketing is must. I hope the analogy and the explanations given by me understood to you to have more clarification how technically these things are going to happen, how we can generate organic productivity and the organic traffic through the SEO and digital marketing efforts. For further elaborations, I'm going to hand over this session to the team Axiom. They'll explain you us explain us all the conceptualizations and the technically how it is going to perform in a great way. Over to team Axiom.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you all today, and I'm excited to share insight into one of the most powerful drivers of business growth in the digital era: advanced SEO and digital marketing. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, or someone simply curious about how businesses grow online, this session will give you a practical insight into how modern digital marketing actually works behind the scenes. Today, internet is driven by visibility. If people cannot find you online, your business almost doesn't exist. And that's exactly where SEO and digital marketing became game changers. Throughout this session, I will not only explain the concept but also show you real world strategies, tools, workflows, and examples used by the industry professional every single day. So, I encourage everyone to stay curious, take notes, and think practically about how this strategy can be applied in real projects and businesses. Let's get started. Before we jump into deep end, let me give you a roadmap of our journey today. Think of this session like building a skyscraper. We will start by laying the foundation, understanding the core basic of modern digital growth. Then we will build the structure, moving into advanced SEO strategies, technical optimization, and content marketing. Next, we will do the interior design, focusing on user experience, search intent, and keyword research. After that, I am going to open up my screen for live SEO tool demonstration. I want you to see exactly what digital marketing works. Next, after that, I am going to finally we look at analytic tracking and peer into the future trend in SEO, including how AI is changing the game. Whether you are an absolute beginner or someone with prior knowledge, this session is designed to take you from basic understanding to advanced hand-on implementation. Let's establish some ground rules by understanding two very important terms. First, SEO, search engine optimization. At its core, SEO is the process of improving your website visibility on search engines organically, meaning without paying for ads. Imagine someone pulls out their phone and types best digital marketing course in Nagpur. Google instantly shifts through billions of pages and show the top 10 results. SEO is the exact science of convincing Google that your website deserves to be at the very top of that list. Second, digital marketing. Digital marketing is the umbrella term. It's the entire ecosystem. It includes SEO, but it also includes social media marketing like Instagram and LinkedIn, email before we jump into paid Google and Meta ads, and video marketing on YouTube. The ultimate goal of this ecosystem is simple but powerful. Reach the exact right person at the exact right time with the exact right message and convert them from a stranger into a loyal customer. Real world example, think about companies like Amazon, Zomato, or Flipkart. Do you think they rely purely on luck? No. If you search for the best butter chicken near me, Zomato has perfectly optimized its local SEO pages to ensure their apps pop up first. They rely heavily on these inbound strategies to attract millions of users daily without having to pay for a single click. So, how does traditional SEO differ from advanced SEO? Traditional SEO was simple. If you want to rank for red shoes, you would just type word red shoes 50 times on your web page. Google was a machine and it simply counted the words. But Google has grown up. Today, Google uses incredibly advanced AI algorithms like RankBrain and BERT. It reads web pages like a human being. Therefore, advanced SEO focuses on complete website optimization. It's no longer about keywords, it's about the user's journey. Advanced SEO includes technical SEO. Is your code clean? User behavior analysis. Are people staying on a website or leaving immediately? Search intent. Did you actually answer the searcher's question? Authority building. Do other famous websites trust you and link to you? Let me give you a practical scenario. Imagine two websites are competing for the exact same keywords but have great content. Website A takes 6 seconds to load, has annoying pop ups, and the text is too small to read on a mobile phone. Website B loads in 1.5 seconds, has beautiful images, short paragraphs, and works perfectly on mobile. Google will brutally drop website A's rank and push website B to the top. Why? Because advanced SEO is about rewarding websites that solve users' problems smoothly. Why should business care so much about this? Why invest thousands of dollars into advanced SEO? Because the internet is more crowded than ever. Millions of websites are launched every single day. Google updates its algorithm thousands of times a year. Furthermore, with the rise of ChatGPT and AI, the internet is flooding with auto generated content. User expectations are at all time high. If a site doesn't load in 3 seconds, they leave. In this hyper competitive space, traditional SEO will leave you invisible. Advanced SEO is the only way businesses can build unbreakable trust. People instinctively trust the first result on Google, generate long term free traffic, ads stop the second you stop paying. SEO keeps working. Stay competitive. If you aren't on page 1, your competitor is stealing your revenue. Let's see a real world example. Think of SEO as a digital real estate. A highly optimized advanced blog post written 2 years ago act as a 24/7 unpaid salesperson. It continues to generate lead, traffic, and sales while you sleep. This is the power of a long term digital asset. Let's break down the exact workflow of an SEO professional. How does this actually happen in an agency or a corporate environment? It happens in 5 continuous steps. Step first, research the blueprint. Before writing a single word, we use tools to identify what our target audience is actually typing into Google. We spy on our competitor to see what keywords bring them money, and we analyze user intent. Step 2, technical optimization, the foundation. We hand the site over to developers to use technical tools to ensure the site is lightning fast, highly mobile responsive, and has the correct schema markup, which is basically translating our website into robot language so Google can read it perfectly. Step 3, content optimization, the building. We create topic clusters, which we will discuss shortly. We structured the content using semantic SEO, meaning we use related words naturally instead of stuffing keywords. Step 4, authority building, the reputation. We run digital PR campaigns to get backlink. A backlink is when another website links to yours. In Google's eyes, a backlink is like a vote of confidence. The more high quality votes you have, the higher you rank. Step 5, monitoring. The maintenance. SEO is never done. We use analytical tools to monitor if our traffic is dropping, if our ranking are sleeping, or if our users are bouncing off our pages. We just adjust, optimize, and repeat. It is an endless cycle of improvement. Now, to take this session further and give you a deeper practical understanding of this concept, I would like to hand over to my teammate who will walk you through the next part of the presentation with live insight and demonstration. Over to you.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity to present. Let us see the core pillars of modern SEO. To make this simple to remember, things of the modern SEO is the house supported by four massive pillars. If one of the pillar breaks, the house will be collapse. Let us see the technical SEO. It is the foundation. This ensures search engine can crawl, uh, read, and index, which is save your website. If you if the foundation is cracked, nothing else matter. Second one is the on-page SEO, the interior. This is the everything you control your web pages. It optimizes the title tag that appears in the Google, the H1 and H2 headings, that keywords placement, and how you link your pages to another. Off-page SEO. It is the reputation of your website. This is everything that happens away from your website. It building authority through backlinks, brand mentions, and social media, and get features in new articles. Content SEO, the experience, user experience of a website, creating high valuable, structured, and helpful content that directly answer the user's question. Let us the house analogy. Technical SEO is the solid concrete foundation and plumbing. Content represent the actual room in your house. On on-page SEO is the interior design, making it easy to guests to walk through the rooms without getting lost. Off-page SEO is what the neighbors are saying about your house. If everyone in the town says you are the best house, Google believe them. As per that, the website will be work. Now the advanced research strategies. Keyword research is absolute backbone of an SEO. If you target the wrong keyword, you will get the wrong audience or the no audience at all. There are the several types of keyword, such as short tail and long tail. Short tail keywords
If you target the
are
wrong
very
keyword,
bordered. You will get the such example are shoes. The million of
Thanks for
search,
giving
but
me the
very
opportunity to
hard to
present.
rank
Let
for
us
it.
see the core
And
pillars of modern
conversational
SEO.
is
Everyone in
conversation
the
is
town
low
says you are the
because
best
you
house.
don't know what kind
Google
of
believe
shoes
them.
they want. Now the long tail keywords, very specific. Example like best Nike running shoes for the flat feet. The low search volume but highly profitable because this this person knows exact what they want to buy. Professionally doesn't judge the look and search volume. They look at the keyword difficulties, how hard it to beat competitors. There are some pro tips and strategies. One of the most strategic agencies used to find pages that are currently ranking on the Google between position 8 to 20, which are in the bottom of page 1 to top of page 2. These pages already saved Google trust by adding a few better paragraphs, updating image, or speed up to pages. You can easily push them into the top 3 spots and double your traffic overnight. To do this, we got guest. We use powerful software like SEMrush and Google Search Console to pull exact mathematical data to search volume, trends, and competition weakness. Now let us talk about search intent and user experience. Google entire business model relies on one thing: give the user exact answer they want to instant. If Google fails to do this, people will search to Bing or ChatGPT. These are the four major intents behind every search. The intents will the intent will be informational, navigational, commercial, or transactional. Informational, in which uh, the user want to learn about something. For example, how to bake a cake. In navigational, the user want to look for the specific site like the Facebook login or a Google login or finding some specific content. Then the commercial. In the commercial, they are doing research before buying, like uh, buy, for example, searching about some phones or the comparison of two phones like iPhone 15 versus Samsung S24, like that. Now the transactional keyword, they have their credit card in the hand and want to buy some product. If a user search how to fix leak pipe, and you can show the page trying to sell them a new sink, that's not a good. Google will punish your ranking and you will fail to match their intent. And try directory to the intents is user experience. Google track metrics like bounce rate, drawl time, and core web vitals. Bounce rate, did they hit the back button after 2 seconds? Drawl time, how long they stay and read your website content? Core web vitals, did the page layout jump around while loading? If your website is slow or ugly, user leaves. Google notice the uh, behavior and essential stay. User hates this website and drop your ranking. Let's drop your ranking. Now let's see the technique. What is the technical SEO? Now let's a little technical. Go to little technical. Technical SEO is the process of making search engine bots fall love in your website. Here is the critical component you must know. XM, XML sitemap. It is think of this as a GPS map of your website. You hand map to Google so it doesn't get lost. Try to find your pages. Then the robot.txt. This is the VIP bonus of your website. It is a small file that tells Google bots you are allowing to scan my blogs but not scan my private admin login pages. Then another one is the schema markup. This is the revolutionary. It support that given context. It tells Google's the number of a product price, the number of a phone or a phone number, and the 5-star rating of a customer reviews. Then the conical tags. This solves the issue of the duplicate content, telling Google which version of the page is organic. There are some optimization methods to achieve this. To achieve the technical preference, we comprises heavy image into the WebP format, which is suitable for the SEO. We use lazy loading, in which where the image only loads when the scroll down to them. We clean the site code and we use the CDN links so that site can load equally faster for the users in India as well as in the America. Now let us see the content marketing and topic clustering. Let's shift to the content. In the old days, companies would write random blogs about the random topics. Today's isolated blogs dies it obscurely. Modern SEO relies on the high organization structure called topic clustering. This is the bicycle wheel. You have to hub in the center and the spokes radius outside. The main pillar page, which is the hub. This is the massive unlimited guide and a board topic. For example, the unlimited guide to the digital marketing, the supporting blogs, which is the spokes. These are the small details article converting specific subtopics. For example, SEO basics, social media hacks, and email marketing templates. Here is the magic. When supporting blogs links back to the main pillar page and the main pillar page links out to the blogs, then one question in your mind, what does this works? Because when the Google scan the structure, it doesn't just see the blogs, it see the entire encyclopedia of knowledge. It instantly recognize your website as a massive authority on digital marketing. companies can hubspot like Companies like HubSpot build a billions-dollar empire using this exact topic clustering strategy. Now let us see the local SEO and brand authority. Now the business are globally, but but just get an example. A dentist in Jalgaon doesn't care about someone in London visit their website. They need local footfall or a local traffic. This this is where the local SEO comes in. Local SEO helps business domains local basic search, location based search, like best cafe near me or a digital marketing agency in Nagpur. To win the local SEO, you need to master in the Google Map pack. Those top three maps result that appears before the result website links. Then you have in mind, uh, you have question in your mind, how we can rank there. There are some basic steps to do that. Google business profile. Create a Google business profile so user can identify as you as a business, as optimizing fulfilled our profile and high quality photographs. Then genuine reviews, high rating customer reviews that the owner actively replies to or relies to. Getting the business listed in the local directories like just dial or AL. NAP consistency. This stands for name, address, phone number. Your NAP is your digital fingerprint. If your phone number is different on your website, then your face uh, as on your Facebook page, the Google lost the trust in the business and drop your ranking. Let us just see an example. Let me switch my screen. Let us see an example. I will searching best cafe near me, and it give me the suggestions, the best cafes near me. As you can see, as per my current location, it will suggest me the best cafes near me, because they have registered their Google business, and Google know that there have a business near my locations as per my search keyword. That's how the Google business profile works, or the top ranking on the map will be work. As you can see, same in the maps, it will see me the tops cafes near me. Just like that, with the local SEO works. I hope you are gained a good understanding of SEO and the core pillars of modern SEO, uh, including topics like advanced keyword research strategies, search intent and user experience, technical SEO and optimization, content marketing and topic clustering, and local SEO and brand authority. The further presentation and demo will be now continued by my teammate. Please stay tuned and remain connected.
Hello everyone. My screen is visible to you all. We have the slide with the advanced digital marketing workflow. So as my colleagues already told you about the so much things about the SEO, what is advanced SEO, how we implement the digital marketing, the workflows, the tools, and all the things. So we have the workflow structure for the SEO digital marketing. So we'll have a basic workflow structure for the SEO content lead generation, right? So now, so now, how does SEO fit into the broader picture? This slide represents the ultimate digital marketing funnel. You can see here, these channels do not work in isolation. They are the interested ecosystem. So we have some steps, uh, the SEO content, lead generation, email marketing, and the conversions. So we'll elaborate one by one. First step, the traffic generation. SEO and social media act as a magnet, pulling strangers to your website. Like we have the content, that kind of content where the user and the audience will attract to a content and they'll engage via your website. But this is not the thing. We have to collect the data of there also, how much they are converting and the things. So here is the step two comes trust building. Your highly quality content and topic clusters prove your expertise and the build trust. So your trust and the high quality content will create the lead generation for that SEO content. Then we have the step three, which is the lead capture. Instead of just letting them live, you offer them a free guide in exchange of their email addresses. So here we have the multiple tools to collect the data. So there's a step four, which is nurturing and the conversions. We use tools like MailChimp to send them automated emails on Facebook ads to retarget them with a special offer until they finally buy. Means we are engaging the audience to see the SEO content to the conversion of that all the things. Professionals uses automation tools to connect these dots seamlessly. We use HubSpot to track customer data, Canva to design ad creatives, Buffer to automate social media posts, and MailChimp to run email sequence while we sleep. So these are the marketing channels and automation benefits we are having. In the marketing channels, we have the SEO, social media marketing, video marketing, and content marketing. These all the things are the SEO content, the type of SEO content which we use for the marketing channels. And the automation benefits, we have to use the automated tools which saves our time, improves productivity, and increases the conversions. works and what kind of tools we use here. So there is a great, but let's get practical. I'm going to walk you through exactly what my screen looks like when I'm doing this work using industry standard tools. First, we have the SEMrush. It's a keyword search, competitive analysis, and backlink analysis tool. Where when I open SEMrush, I don't just look at my site. I put my competitor's website in the search bar instantly. I can see exactly which keywords are bringing them traffic, who is linking to them, and where their weak spots are. Let's basically legal corporate common rate. So I'm switch my tab with the SEMrush account. Yeah, we have the SEMrush account, and I'm having my domain with the axiomtechguru.com, and there is all the analysis of these things which we take from the SEMrush, and a SEMrush dashboard gives the suggestions to us. So how to improve our website, how we do the experiment on that, where is our score. So here we have the domain overview. You can see that we have selected the axiomtechguru.com, which is our website, and we have the some country region over here. So we are taking the analysis of worldwide over here. There's an overview with the air visibility, the mentions, the cited pages, and some the SEO authority scores, organic traffic, and traffic shares. It depends on our keyword search, as my colleague already told about the keywords depend for the SEO content and the user experience, how they conversion or not. So these things depending on the keywords also. We have the keyword analysis here and Google is SERP position distribution. Here we have organic AI overviews and other SRPF features. So you can see that there's a bar which is increasing day by day. Means this is not the one-time process. It's a daily process. So we have to continuously update the things, optimize the content, put the meta tags, and all the things. Here we have the organic keywords, which is listing to the to making the reach of our website. List of it companies that keywords Exempt Group Private Limited. We can see the intent of this, position of these numbers, how much time it call in the browser, the volume of the keyword, how it performing. Then we have the intent behind these keywords. My colleague already explained about in the theoretical, emotional, navigational, commercial, and transactional. These are the analysis of four types intent, which we get from the SEMrush account. Here we have the 27.9% of emotional increasement. Navigation, we have the 30.2%. Commercial is the 34.9%, and the transaction only 7%. Depend on the website, how we are going to present to the audience and which kind of intent is behind from the keywords. And also we have the main organic competitors also. Means we can compare our website or keywords with the competitors. We have some kind of competitors, their level, their keywords, and our keywords which is we implemented here. And these all things are the organic traffic, not the paid one. Here you can see that the paid traffic is 0, 0. Paid traffic is for the instant reflections of the browser and showing your website to the rank, but it is not the long lasting. So this was the organic traffic by using the SEMrush. Next, next we have the Google page speed. Right. It's also a free open source page speed from the Google. Uh, like I'll open the page speed and I'll enter a website for the demo. I plug the website URL here. So Google gives me a score out of 100, but I don't just look at the score. I look at the web vitals. I look at the LCP, at the largest contentful paint, which tells me exactly how many milliseconds means the loading time of this landing page it takes for the largest image on the screen, and even a 2-second delay can kill the 50% of your sales. It depends, and millions of website deployed daily on the browser history. So in these millions of website, you have to be a present there. You have to make the attract to the audience. It's a trouble for any kind of SEO optimizer or developer. So this kind of things we help to improve that. So we have the performance. You can see that we have the performance of 58% with the multiple types of features. CLS, SI, FCP, LCP, and the TBT. This is for the mobile view. Just we are analyzing. And there's a first contentful paint is a 3.8 milliseconds over here. But here you can see that the accessibility is the 93%. Best practice is 96%. And the SEO is 100% totally implemented on the website. These are the insights which helps us to improve our website. The diagnostics which helps to improve the website uh, to make the on daily basis updates of your website. So rank to the browser. You can see this analysis on the desktop also. And here you can see that it very well performed in the desktop. 85% performance we have. And the first contentful paint is 1.2 second. Means we are that level. So audience can engage and visit our website, and it's not hard for them to skip the website. They can continue with our website and have the experience of our website. There is this is stack of your website. So, what kind of data is showing to your website, and which kind of frameworks do you use here? So yes, Yoast SEO is the plugin which we use in the WordPress. Like then raw data we have like is what a raw sitemap looks like. Just like lines of XML code we generate and these are just submitted to Google. And here is a robots.txt file available here. Notice this command that says disallow admin. That is exactly how we block search engines from the sensitive areas. Like these things allows you for the agent, the GPT allows, ChatGPT allows, Google Extended, CC bot, and the sitemap allow you to axiomtechguru.com with the slash sitemap.xml, where the all the available sites URLs, the modified date, the frequency of that your endpoint URL. You can see here. This all everything is hard coded in the sitemap.xml. So these things we tells to Google to rank it on the Google browser, and it depend on the priority of the value of this URL. Each and each and every URL and the category of a website, your website, it depend on the frequency of that URL and the priority of that URL, which is showing to the browser. And it is interconnected. We have to enter the robot.txt file with the allowing all the agent. They get the access from your website. They know about your website URLs, and they will analyze and give feedback and references to the user audience. This kind of URL is present on the website, and it is the priority based. So whenever we'll go with this search for the portfolio, so it will show you the portfolio of Axiom Guru. If you search on the digital marketing page, it will give you the digital marketing page of Axiom Guru. Let's see the example. Mm, okay, we'll try to search some keyword like tell me the portfolio of Axiom Tech. We'll see what it comes. If it is already ranked or already mentioned in the coding structure of your application, so here you can see that what we search a portfolio for the Axiom Tech Guru. So also there is a portfolio page directly listed in the browser history. First is the portfolio directly. Second was the your enter website with the landing page. Then there is a third suggestion also Axiom Tech Guru. It gives you the uh, next page for the services page also. It gives a LinkedIn profile of your domain website, Instagram account, everything which is available in your sitemap. It gives and it ranks to the browser. Whatever you will search, that will give result to the audience, that kind of things. Next, we'll have next next slide we have with this schema markup and the Google Search Consoles. So we'll see the schema markup. What is schema markup? And the benefits of schema markup is the rich snippet optimization, structured data implementation. So ever wonder how some recipes on Google's show cooking time, calories, and the five-star ratings right there on the search page. So we have some schemas available in your website which helps Google to make your website rank, and it gives a listed of Google listed of top 5, top 10 website to the Google audience. Also, we can use they use FAQs for the schema. We can use the generators to create this code snippet and paste it into the website backend, like this kind of code. So here we can see that we have the multiple pages available in the website. Let's let's see the about page. Okay, right. So what kind of SEO you implemented to your website? You need to know about the what kind of keywords which going to trigger to the browser, and what majorly top search keywords which is available on the browser and searched by the user audience. So this kind of keywords we have to implement in the that schema part. So here's the page title which is we created. We mentioned there's some keywords like about for the about page, Axiom TechGuru LLC. So mention the domain, what kind of about details you are going to show. We are going to show the about of Axiom TechGuru LLC with the global IT solution partners. Targeted region you mention here. Also, we have the meta description. What is meta description? Meta description, it is the detailed description, highlights key standard, and it will rank your website with the content, the available data of your website, and the search keywords from the audience to the website. That should mention here. Also, we discussed in the previous uh, slide with the canonical URL. There is a canonical URL which is reference to the audience, the keywords, and the endpoint of that website, which rank to the browser, and it scroll and index to show the user audience as he required, depend on the keywords. Also, we have the OG titles, OG description, OG image, the URL page, and the OG types. What is OG? OG is the open graph which um, tells Google, so which tells Google, and Google understand that data is available in the code base of his website. So these things to be show on the website browser. Whenever someone go to the browser and search the tell me about the global tech companies, yeah, it will show the tell me the web development companies in the nearby me or Nagpur वगैरह, that things of keywords will search here. Also, OG description is available where we describe all the data here and the authorized details here. Like you cannot enter the fake details on this OG description or meta description. You have to enter the perfect data which is validated, because Google authorized the data, it passes the data, and then only the data will on that website will show to the browser. So these things need to be understand while implementing the SEO strategy and schema on the your website, right? So we'll switch to the next part, the Google Search Consoles, right? So we have the Google Search Consoles also, which helps to improve your website rank. And there is some kind of analysis also for your website. Here we can see that top queries, which is search on the Google. This is a domain is connected to the browser. And here the top queries, which is search and how much time it clicks over here. there's a counter available here and how much impression we got from this keyword. Here you can see that this is the analysis report and the total clicks also available for the in this 3 months, like 28 days or 7 days. It gives each and every day of analysis to you with the graph also, clicks, the engagement of these things, the average CTRs, the average positions, how your website is going to perform on the browser with the exact average of the CTR. Also, we have the pages also. So, what kind of pages? Google Search Console is give you the analysis, the available audience of browser, what kind of page is using from your website, what they are scrolling, what they interested in your website. So these top pages will show that the clicks of users means the majority of audience wants to know about your website. You can see the clicks, the impression 2034, the CTR of these things, and the position. Next, you can see the career page, contact page. Many more pages are available there. But that ranks and that clicks decide the audience which is engaging to your website. And then we'll switch to the next. It it is for the performance tracking, which gives you analysis to improve your SEO and advanced SEO, how advanced SEO, and you will get into the rank of the top rated website while the user and audience will search to you on the browser. Next we have the SEO analytics and performance tracking, which is already we demonstrated, and I'll give the brief of that things already. The Google Analytics, Search Console, and AI, multiple tools are available in the browser, which is free of cost in digital marketing. There's a famous thing is also known as the sentence, which is which says, if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. You cannot rely on the gut feelings. You must rely on the data. So this all these things and the data depends to rank your website on the browser. We track incredibly specific matrices like organic traffic, how many free visitors are coming in. We already see on the Google consoles. Click-through rate, CTR. Are our headlines attractive? Means the content which is available on the website, which is attractive to the audience. The engagement rate. Are they staying on the page? How much time they are available or staying on the page? Which page they are staying more? The analysis we have. The conversion rate out of 100 visitors, how many actually bought the product or fill out the form or take the analysis and the information from your website. This thing. Tools we use, like we use Google Analytics for uh, to track user journey, but we also use the tool like Microsoft Clarity, SEMrush, Page Speed, and we have the Google Analytics available here with the analytics with the activity users, views, image count. These all things are the all the analysis and the research part and the performance which where our website is performance, the countries where our website going to search and they want to know about your data also. View by which kind of pages uh, searched by the audience. Here we can see that the page name, career at Axiom TechGuru, contact form, about Axiom TechGuru with the clicks and the views, the organic search with the sessions also, the kind of data we can see here. Next we'll switch, and all the things that depend on the some purpose. So what kind of purpose? The data-driven optimization improves long-term performance. That all the tools and the data and the analysis depend and needed for the optimization of improvement our website to make the long-lasting performance on the browser history. Next, next we have the futures trends in SEO. Before we can conclude, we must look at the horizon. The digital landscape changes fast, and if you don't adapt, you become obsolete. Here's where SEO is heading. The AI-powered search and SG. Google is rolling out AI overviews where it generates answer at the very top of the page. To survive, content must offer unique human perspective that AI cannot fake. We know about the things. If we need to a valid data to be present on the websites and the uh, sites and sitemap, which is authorized by the Google, and then only we can rank on the browser. A voice search, people are saying like, "Hey Siri, where is the nearest ATM?" My colleague already searched the keyword like the cafe near me. So that kind of keywords, which is going to rank and crawl to the browser, and Google will give the result on the basis of the keywords like that. Also, we have the voice search. Voice searches are conventional, meaning we must optimize for the natural language questions, not just robotic keywords, but the kind of keywords which need to be searched. Depend on the work, visual search, voice search, or keyword search. We have the visual search, searching by images using Google Lens. In the trending now, we'll just open the phone, open the camera with the Google
But the
search,
kind of
scan the
keywords
photos,
which need to be
and
searched.
the tool will analyze all the keywords from this image, extract the keywords, and give the result on the basis of that available keywords of that visual search. Then we have the personalized search results, video SEO growth, and the eight importance. EE80 principles. It's a eight principle. This is the Google's current obsession: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and the trustworthiness. This is the full form of this principle, and it why it needs. The Google wants to know: did a real human with the actual experience write this? If you write a review about a hotel, do you have original photos to prove you were actually there? Experience is the new gold standard. Means whatever we feel, we experience, that need to be present and valid. So that depends, that principle and that things, all the things depends to your website is available on the digital presence. There's a key message which businesses must adapt continuously to stay competitive. Next, we have the next slide. We have the key takeaways. Here's the important learning outcomes over here. To summarize our masterclass today, here are the core principles I want you to walk away with, which is SEO is the deeply used, focused, optimized for humans first, and search engines second. Search intent is critical. Always answer the why behind the search. Means we need to know about the things why we're going to search this kind of content on the browser. The technical issue is non-negotiable. A beautiful house with a broken foundation will collapse. Just like a well-managed SEO website is not is the key factor for the any website, and it is mandatory for the website to rank on the browser. The content builds authority. Use topic cluster to prove your expertise to Google. The available tools which we explored and explain, that depends for the content build authority. And then we have the data-driven decisions. Use tools and analytics to track the data, measure the performance on the find of keywords, the use cases, the views, and after that, the optimize constantly. Means take the updates and take the data analysis from the all the tools and improve it by yourself. And the consistency creates a long-term success. Modern SEO is a beautiful combination of technical engineering, strategic marketing, and the understanding human psychology. These all the topics we have covered in these things. So thank you. Thank you all so much for your time, your focus, and your attention today. I hope this discussion gave everyone meaningful insights into digital marketing and SEO strategies and how consistent efforts help build strong online growth. Now, I would like to request our director sir to continue the session and share these valuable thoughts and guidance with the team. Thank you.
Hey, thanks Axiom team. You did a fabulous job to give us insights regarding the advanced SEO and digital marketing uh, ways to enhance the organic productivity. To conclude, true organic productivity growth happens when great UX meets great reach. Means like we need a good product with a good UI and UX, but at the same time, great reach need to be there, which can be possible through the continuous efforts of SEO and digital marketing. Don't let your beautiful application become a hidden gem. Build it well, and then build the digital roads that leads people to it. The We need to form a map so that one can find it easy to reach to the applications. I wish best luck for everyone who attended this session. At the same time, probably the exploration regarding this SEO and digital marketing technically and conceptually you will understand to you. Have a great day ahead. Do join us for such kind of live technical events so that together we can explore and build this with the expertise to serve the IT industry better. Thank you very much.